Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post reblog on Tumblr. So let's get started. At first, make sure you're logged into your Tumblr account. Once logged in, scroll through your dashboard or explore text to find a post you want to reblog. When you have found, click on the Reblog button. So this is the Reblog button. Click on it. This will open a new tab. If you need to add a comment, customize your reblog, you can still do that in the pop-up tab. Make any changes, hit post, and you are done. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.